All right, guys, welcome back. Day something, maybe 5, maybe 6. Working on the truck, getting started bright and early today. Bright and early as can be. I think it's before 11, and that is after my webinar. So yesterday we got the wall up, or the bedroom, or the bathroom, I mean. So we got that wall up. Today we're gonna work on getting the wall up back here for where the bed is gonna go, and just kind of finish out the wall framing as best as possible. But we'll see. Just taking it day by day, seeing where we can get, trying to get as much done each day without getting completely exhausted, obviously. Also have my girlfriend Yvette coming in town tonight, and my brother Mitch coming tomorrow, who's been editing these videos. Shout out Mitch. And they're also both gonna be helping out on the build. Probably Mitch a little more than Yvette. No offense, Yvette, if you're watching this. Because I know that I'm not doing all that much, but this will be a good help too this weekend, having a lot of extra hands here, and hopefully we can really get cranking. So keep you guys posted on the progress here as we go along. We are just finishing up now the garage access door, which is gonna basically go right underneath the front of the bed. That's gonna get us into the little garage area from the inside in here, so that, if I'm sitting up, well, anywhere, I can get into the garage without needing to go all the way out and around. So just getting this wall framed up, and yeah, looking good. Looking good, guys. We're putting it down here. Okay, oh, that's why so this isn't going on top of the OSB.
No, because there's probably gonna be some weight on this. So
yeah.
Like pushing on the foam too much.
Yep. Just got finished cutting up these studs here, and we are now working on getting the framing done for the sidewall right here, where we're getting a window ready. So we had to do some measurement for a couple different studs to get that window framed out. And then we got the sidewall framing done. Just about right here, we're almost out of 2x4s. Fortunately, we're almost done though with the framing. I'll give you a quick update here on the back end. We got the garage access door up, which you should have probably already seen. And so the last thing we're really gonna need to do in here is gonna be framing this part of the wall for the back end of the bed. But besides that, we've got this wall right here. That's that smaller one that we were just showing you. And then that one with the window is gonna be right here. The framing, besides the ceiling, of course, should be almost finished up. So overall, we're getting close to having framing, getting close to finished up. Gonna keep you posted. Again, this has been, I feel like I'm finally starting to actually get it down a little bit. I've learned how to mark out all the wood and everything and then cut it. I'm getting close here, but gonna get back to work. Very nice fit. Oh man. There we go. Torn up the shirt. There we go. All right, MTV, welcome to my crib. Go up the ladder. If MTV crib was still a thing, oh, I'd invite him to this one for sure. Day by day, we're making progress. Got Mitch behind the camera here. Mitch lives out of town, for those who don't know. But the last update video, we've got this wall here put on and this wall here. And now we got where the bed's gonna be, and if you look down underneath, you'll see our garage area, where basically all the storage and whatnot is gonna be had. So just measuring, or not even measuring anymore, we got the board up here now, so just drilling it in so that there can be a mattress placed. The only thing is, I definitely said at one point, we're gonna do a king. I think it's gonna be a queen on here, with plenty of room though, so plenty of room sitting up here with a lot of room underneath. So let's go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the trading lounge. You might think this would be my bed. You'd be wrong. My brain's dead. Yeah, this is where the bed's gonna go. The last two main things, we're gonna insulate these doors here and put a wall on them, and then a ceiling. I guess, wait, yeah, once that's done, then do start on the wiring?
Do some of the plumbing over here first.
Plumbing, yeah, plumbing. Should I have like a toilet ready to go?
I was thinking you could just cut a hole in the floor and use that.
about 16 inches on center.
Well, I prefer 24.
Ah, you're a 24 guy. For me, I'm all about using construction screws, generally exterior grade. Is that the kind?
Those?
No, not these. Is that the kind we were looking at earlier?
No, we got Simpson Strong Drive.
Ah, the Simpson.
SDS.
Yeah, the SDS.
Number 9, 1.5 inch. That would do the trick to hold these joist hangers on, that's for sure.
Oh, and I know for sure that during this podcast episode, we'll talk about getting a new chalk line. All right, day 5, maybe 6, I don't know. But let's go with day 6. Just got and went and picked up some more wood, and we got the windows here today. Not that I can actually put the windows in. Today we're gonna finish out framing the area for the bed, and yeah, just loading it all up here. And just like that, workstation is ready, and I'm gonna go charge this camera because it is dying. What's up, everyone? It's Bryce. Today didn't have a ton of progress. Actually, this whole weekend, my brother is here and he is now gone. I think it's time we gotta start making a little bit more progress. Today's Tuesday. Didn't get any work done on the truck yesterday. Went out this morning, did some planning though, and I'm actually currently watching a video about how to install my solar panels, or actually how to mount them, I should say, not install them. I figure it's something I can do that won't be actual like building related, but you know, something I can work on for the next couple of hours. Might even need to go over to Home Depot, grab some stuff, we'll see. But gonna work on getting that mounted. Fingers crossed I can do it. All right, so we did indeed make it outside, made it to the truck. We made it to just basically go test the voltage of the solar panels. Wanted to make sure those were working, so I got out the multimeter and just plugged in to the solar panel here. And actually here, I can show you maybe. So we're gonna plug the negative into the negative down here. And do we have a reading? Hold on. Okay, so we're getting, let's see, about 14.8 volts. I was just reading like 19, but we'll take 14.8. I don't know what the difference is. But I do know that our max voltage is 19.1 volts. And I was getting closer to 19 when I was outside. I don't know if that has anything to do with the sun and the fact. Well, actually, I'm gonna take you over here. Like I said, I am a newbie when it comes to all this stuff. I don't know the first thing about electrical, the first thing about building, but I did look up some YouTube videos, thanks to YouTube University, and just kind of saw like how to use the multimeter. My mom helped me out too. Got a better reading outside earlier. Just good to know it's working, and that's really all I care about. Here we've also got, those 3 are the windows. So we've got the 3 windows here, and you can't see too well, but on the right next to the door in that bubble wrap is the door. And then right here, we also have the other thing is solar panels. Then we got the 2 panels right down here. These are each 200 watt solar panels. And together, they will make 800 watts. I've got another package of them too. So I'll have a total of 800 watts of solar in this thing, which should be decent. And yeah, we also got the charge controller in last night so that these solar panels can actually be hooked up and used. Anyways, that's all I got for right now. I'm going to go back inside and keep learning more about solar. All right, what's up vloggers or whatever? Back another day working on the truck. Today we are about to basically just finish up the ceiling. Nothing too crazy, I don't think. So right now we've got, I believe we're gonna go 24 inches on center because I think that's exactly what these are up here. So we're gonna run these 2x4 ceiling joists across there. Pardon me if I'm using the incorrect terms. And then on my own, I might do this a different time. I'm probably gonna need some more insulation in there. Finish that up, and then tomorrow, I've got someone coming to check out the truck to work on the metal, do the metal framing for the windows, the door, so they're just gonna be checking that out. And after that, I'm flying to Austin, so gonna try to have that done next week while I'm gone. Then ideally, by the time I come back, we're ready to really start digging into plumbing and wiring. I've got a lot of the electrical components coming along the way too. So yeah, a lot of good stuff, good updates so far. And I don't know, we'll see what happens the next week or so. So we're currently gonna add, we just finished the ceilings, but As you can see, there is a little bit of a gap between the existing kind of support on the ceiling and then where we ended up putting the joists. So in order to solve that, we're gonna put some 2x4s there to take off some of the load, and then that should help to be able to like walk on top of and to keep the snow off if we do go through any really snowy spots, just to make sure that roof doesn't cave in. And you know, these aren't too bad right now. They're very stable, but there is a little bit of wiggle to them. So that's kind of what we're thinking right now, just adding a little bit extra support, because the more support, the merrier. What's up, Vlog Squad? Back at it, another day, another dollar, another terribly lit scene. We finished up the framing, got the ceiling all done too now, and basically starting on, well, plumbing for now, which we're doing some adjustments here where the shower is gonna be there, but instead of having the plumbing run through this back wall, we're actually gonna have the shower head and valve be right here, so that way we don't need to worry about if it gets cold outside, the water line's freezing, it'll all be inside. And we'll just have it stub out here for now until we get cabinetry in. Also had someone come and take a look this morning on putting in the windows and framing for the door, but they're probably not gonna be able to do it. So unfortunately that did ruin my plan a little bit of maybe having it done while I'm back in Austin. I'm leaving there tomorrow. But yeah, we've got the solar panels down there too, looking at the door, just taking a look at everything. And today gonna just try to get this kind of run for now to start. So not a huge, nothing crazy today, but definitely need to get a little more work done, so we'll see.
Kind of go like so. And then we need one of these bends. So this will be like the stub out into the cabinet right here.
Yeah, okay.
And then we'll put another bend and we'll kind of come down this way.
Nice. You're supposed to take the battery out of this when you're done? Is it like,
I've heard.
I say yeah. Not really. Oh.
Oh yeah, I meant like when we drill more holes.
Oh, gotcha.
Just want to make sure that we have like a spot for the shower.
Yep.
Plumbing. Like the shower
It's
head supply line.
Yeah. How does the shower head connect to those?
These will come down to the valve. Yeah, we'll cut those and connect them to the shower valve, and then there's an opening on the top of the shower valve for another pipe that goes up to the shower head.
Gotcha. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it for video number 2. Thank you again for watching. If there's anything else that you wanna see in these videos, please let me know down in the comments below. I'm just making these partially for fun, and second of all, just to kind of be able to watch it back later on and just see how much fun this was in the meantime. Be sure, in video number 3 next week, we're actually gonna be running a giveaway for some gaming monitors, some computer monitors. I've got some nice gaming monitors that I figured it'd be really fun to give away. So next week, next Monday, I'll be telling you guys how you can enter to win that. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next week.